In this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase your cryptos using Binance.com. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video. In today's video, I'm going to show you several ways in which you can use Binance.com to purchase crypto and how you can trade the cryptos. If you have, for example, Bitcoin, how you can change that to USDT, or maybe you have USDT and you want to change it to USDC as well. So we can do everything on Binance and it's easier than you think. By the way, guys, if you don't have a Binance account, use the link below so you can open it. And this is actually my dashboard, okay? Several things that you need to do. First of all, you need to verify your account. You see here, I'm a verified user. So you're gonna go here where it says identification, and you will need to submit your ID. You need to submit, well, it's gonna be asking you to, to take a picture so you can have a selfie. And in about 24 hours, usually less, you're gonna be fully verified. So you can go ahead and purchase cryptos, and you can use Binance fully, okay? So that's the very first thing. Also, please make sure that you're gonna click here where it says security. So you enable the Google Authenticator with the 2FA, and you have your telephone number, because you will need to get an SMS verification as well, okay? Binance is really rigid with the security, so please make sure that you do that. So in order to purchase the crypto, as you can see here, you're gonna go where it says buy crypto. My account is in USD, but if you have another currency, you can change it here, okay? So we can purchase it with debit and credit card, okay? And this is actually how the menu is gonna look like, okay? You're gonna buy crypto with a card. You're gonna let it know like, hey, how much do you want to purchase? Here is the estimate price of the moment, okay? And in my case, here I have USDT, okay? But you can change it. Hey, do you want Bitcoin? Do you want BNB? There are other cryptos as well. You can purchase it, okay? Or if you want to go, for example, with stable coins, we have here the USDT. As you can see, I type literally the letter and I can see which do I have available. If there is a crypto that you want to purchase but you don't have the option here right away, my recommendation is go to USDT, so you have a stable coin, and I'm going to show you how you can exchange these stable coins to Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and other coins as well, okay? That's the very first option. Not everybody can do it, and not everybody would like to take this option. So there is a second option here. If we go to buy crypto, which is called Binance, the P2P trading here on Binance. In here, we can buy and we can sell crypto with our local currency with other payment methods as well. First, what you need to do, you need to go to your dashboard. Okay, you need to go to your dashboard after you confirm your identity. You have everything configured in the security, and you need to go and configure the payment methods. Okay, these payment methods are different than using a credit card. Okay, these are local payment methods. You can add as many payment methods as you want, and you can get the, you can exchange the crypto with this payment method. Let's say, and let me show you here. I'm going to click here where it says add payment method. Okay, here we do have several payment methods, okay? And we can actually choose the one that we want. For example, here we have the 7-Eleven, we have Airtel Mobile Money, and others, okay? So you can choose the one that is going to be more beneficial to you. For example, if you have Wise, you can use Wise. If you have a local bank, you can find the bank here. If you want to go and use, for example, Payer, you can do this as well. So with that says, this is the payment method. So this is the type of payment that you're going to be using to purchase the cryptos on the P2P. But also, if you are selling it on the peer-to-peer, this is how you are going to receive it. Okay, so this is a way. So you need to choose one that you would like to go with, or do the search here on, with search, and you need to fill out the information like which type of payment, or which type of bank account, which type of, what's the email address that you use for that specific account, so this is what you actually need to do. Now, what else do you need to go? What else do you need to do? Well, we have already the payment method, and we need to make the purchase. Okay, it is actually the same process if you want to make a purchase or if you want to sell it. Okay, if you want to buy it, here is the guys who are actually ready to sell me the cryptos. So here you have different currencies. Okay, let's go with USD. Okay, and as you can see here, I have all the payment methods, everybody, everywhere. It doesn't matter where they are, all the regions. And I have, for example, this person, it's only with Simly. Okay, this person with this other payment method. But if I want a specific payment method, let's say I want to go with Wise. Okay, you can go and click here where it says Wise, and you can see that I can purchase for this person. Okay, this is the price, and the limits is 300 through 3,000. Or I have this other between 200 to 247 or 50, So you can type here. Let me show you. You can type here the amount that you want to purchase. Let's say, okay, I want to purchase at least 50. That's the minimum I want, or 150 or 10,000. Okay. And you can choose here the payment method. You can choose here the region. Maybe you want to be in touch with someone from a specific country. Okay, and there will be no fee. The only thing that you need to go is click here where it says buy USDT. Okay, and it's telling me, hey, how many minutes this person is gonna have to release, the USDT in this case. Okay, okay, and I can tell them like, hey, I want to buy at least 100. Okay, and let's say I want to buy 100, and this is the amount that I'm gonna receive in USDT. I suggest you to go and purchase USDT, although you have other options here, because that's an unstable coin. Okay, that's an unstable coin, and you know how much you're gonna receive, but at the end of the day, it's gonna be up to you. The same, if you have, in my case, for example, USDT, and I would like to sell it, I have here this person. Okay, this is the minimum they're gonna buy from me. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna click here where it says sell USDT. I'm gonna let them know how much do I want to sell. Okay, and they are gonna be sending me the money, in my case to Wise, in 15 minutes. Okay, only pay by email and by USD only. Okay, so this is a great way. And what if you have certain cryptos? Maybe you have Bitcoin and you want to exchange it to USDT. Okay, maybe you want to change it to USDT, or maybe you are buying USDT, but that's not the crypto that you want to have, right? Since Binance is an exchanger, we can do trades. Okay, we can go here to trades, and we can go here where it says Binance Convert. Okay, we're gonna click here where it says Binance Convert, and you are gonna see that I can actually exchange my USDT to several cryptos. Okay, although we purchase in this example USDT, we can actually change it to different cryptos. Let's say that you have Bitcoin. Okay, let's say that you have Bitcoin, right? Okay, so you want to swap the Bitcoin to another crypto. Maybe you want to swap it to these other cryptos as well, and you can also swap it to USDT. Okay, you can also change it to USDT. Okay, so you're gonna notice that yes, there are actually several ways in which you can trade. Also, chances are that you have another popular crypto, which is USDC. Okay, you can also do the exchange USDC to a crypto that you would like to have. Okay, then you will need to click here where it says well, you need to enter the amount. In my case, I don't have USDC right now. Okay, it's going to ask you to do a preview. It's going to tell you like, this is the conversion rate. Do you want to do the swap? You're going to do and click yes, and that's it. Okay, so there are different things that we can do with Binance, but sometimes we don't know how to use this exchanger because there are so many options. But this is actually a simple way in which you can buy and sell your cryptos, and also a simple way in which you can exchange. If you purchase a crypto like a stable coin, but you don't want it, you actually want to exchange it to another, or maybe you have some bitcoins, and the price is going down. Hey, don't lose the money, right? Just change it to a stable coin like USDT, and as soon as the price goes up, you can buy more crypto, or you can buy for cheaper, and you're gonna be earning money that well. So really simple, guys, but I know that there are people who might not know this, but this is how you guys can buy, sell cryptos with Binance, and how you can do trades in a simple way. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.